How to pick up a dropped stitch in stocking stitch knitting. As a knitter, you will inevitably encounter a dropped stitch at some point, but don't worry, you can easily fix it by picking up the bars in between your columns of stitches to recreate those dropped stitches. We'll just need to knit to the point of the dropped stitch and we'll be ready to pick those up with a crochet hook. I'm using a hook slightly smaller than the needles I've used to knit my swatch, and I will be using this hook to pick up each of these 4 bars representing a drop stitch. So inserting my hook from front to back, grabbing that next bar and drawing it through. I will grab the next bar and draw it through my stitch. Grabbing that 3rd bar to draw it through my stitch. And I'm ready to mount that final stitch on my needle. So I'm going to draw through this final bar and place it on my left needle through the front. Now that I've placed that stitch on my needle, I'm ready to finish knitting my row. Once I've finished knitting my row, and I've given my stitches a little bit of a stretch to even them out, you cannot tell that you ever had dropped stitches. And that is how you pick up dropped stitches in stocking stitch knitting.